What is up, amazing YouTubers? It is me again here, Kibuma. I am back again with another cool, amazing strategy of mine to ease your understanding on how to trade and profit from it. I know you can't wait to see it. So now, this strategy of mine is called the break and retest strategy. What does break and retest mean? The break and retest strategy, it's a very cool and easy strategy. But still easy, I am back here to simplify it for you. Trust me, I got you. So now, the break and retest strategy on my piece of paper here will help to make you understand exactly what I'm saying, because if we go on my chart, it's going to very much confuse so many of you guys, especially the newbies. So I am bringing this video so that you all can understand how breakout actually work out, especially on this piece of paper. Now, a break and retest strategy, on my understanding, means that you need to identify price ranging in a consistent manner, then later on decides to leave that previous position to another direction. So now you need to know the next direction, which is an impulse direction price is about to create. So a ranging manner in the trade or in price is called a consolidation or a correction. So the next move is called an impulse. So now you are looking to take an impulse direction. Like for example, we see that here price has actually moved in an impulse manner and later on been correcting for a period of time. Later on, it has decided to break from the upside, but it had to do a little fake out to tell some people that it is breaking out from the downside, which is wrong. This here is called a fake out. So you should never be taking a trade or trading a breakout without a correction. It is wrong. All right. The market needs to break out, comes back to previous positions before it moves back to its original direction. So now, this break and retest strategy of mine is very much easy to help all those who are facing a lot of difficulties in understanding the trading about price action. So now, price action is the naked price trading using trend lines and so on and so forth. But using a break and retest strategy is when you identify a structure and you are expecting the next move of that structure. So now, by you identifying a next move of the structure, it's called the process of breaking out. So that process of breaking out is what you need to know it and take advantage of it immediately for you to make some money. So now, a structure, like I said on my last video, which is actually about a double bottom, a double top, or let's say a reversal pattern video. Now, when you identify a reversal pattern, what do you expect next? Price needs to leave that correction mode or a consolidating mode to the next side. Okay, so that move is going to depend on where price is here going to break out, which is an impulse move price is about to create. Once we identify a structure, it is very easy to identify a structure. Everyone can identify a structure. What you need to do is that just go back to my previous video. I've helped to simplify how to identify structures, especially reversal structures. A break and retest is still a structural something. Now, a structural something is to tell you that price is working in a corrective path for a very long time. Then now, that correction, you need to align price. Like for example, let's watch it on my screen. Now, we see that this is BTC/USD. Now, we see that price had an impulse all the way down here and later on started to correct itself up and down, up and down. So now, what happened next is that we are expecting the next move to the upside, but we are not certain because price has not given us any indication that price will go up. So some people would think that price will go up and they are entering, which is wrong. You need to make sure that if price is telling you that it's going to go to the upside, you should see a break and retest before you enter that trade. Or still, the market could reject on this upside and start pulling back down. So now, as explained, you should never do such mistake entering a break and retest thinking that it's going to work in your favor. It could be doing a fake out. You don't know. So always make sure that if you identify your structural move, now you need to know that that structural move will have an impulse in the future, but you don't know on which direction it will take. What you do is that on your part to be safe, always make sure you take the break and retest way. Price should move out, come back to retest that previous position before taking that very move back to the upside. From there, you are looking now for your take profit. Now your take profit should be at the next position where you have so much rejections, where price has been failing to break so many times. So that is where price will leave from that breakout to that take profit. So that is where you are to take your profit, where you have so many consolidations in the upside or to the downside. So now, never forget to trust the process, because the process is where it's taking you to the next level. So as I said, identify a correction, then you identify an impulse. Identify a correction, this is a correction, identify it like that, then you will see that price will walk out of this way like this. Price is gonna break out like this, like how it did here. That is all. So when you are actually seeing the impulse, then you see this correction, then you should be calculating this same level of price to this at this other end, so that you know that this the level at which price left here is the level at which price is gonna break out here. That is how simple it is. That is how very simple you can be able to make so much money out of the crypto market. So now, like I said, trust the process.
Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned to another amazing episode. Bye bye.